From leaf to cordage without, there is extra stuff in here. We're going to scrape the surface of the leaf off, some of that waxy coating that we don't need. But it's so fibrous that there's not too much extra, and the wax and all that I find actually will help it stick together, so it's great for beginners.
I'll take that bet.
This is what you're going for. Yeah.
Gosh, I just.
Coming along, just need to be.
Are you happy with that?
We don't have to use the whole leaf. We're
only
going to use a little bit.
I just gotta figure out where I'm
gonna
be ripping from. The 1,000 pieces.
A big thing, and I want to go up to New England to lobsters. We did that one
Something along those lines.
Sand, I forget which, but anyways, you can't use it straight, right? It will clog up, but that's all it'll do. It's got too much sand, so you actually have to wash the clay out of it and collect the clay. And so I did that a couple of days ago and let it dry.
Is that banging part of the process?
No. Yes. It's called cheating.
You know your beads on, don't take.
Shazam!
To the farm in my front yard, dig it down, don't see dough, planting seed, then watch it grow. What is compost? I don't know. On the farm in my front yard. Ever since I got laid off, I'm coming down to earth. I'm digging up my driveway and that artificial turf. I'm making room for corn and squash and tender little peas, and a chicken coop for the chickens, and a beehive for the bees. Dig it down, don't see dough. I hate